Do you know people are earning really good money by selling simple printable games on Etsy? Kids' printable games are one of the most popular and profitable categories right now. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a kid's printable game using Canva and sell it on Etsy for maximum profit. Plus, I'll give this printable away for free, so watch till the end. Let's get started. To begin, we'll first set up our artboard. We'll select an A4 size, as this is ideal for creating a printable game sheet. Our Canva editor is now open. Before we start designing, we'll name our document. This helps keep files organized and ensures everything looks professional when we download it later. Now let's start designing the game sheet. First, I'll add a text heading. Since I'm creating a flower color race game, I'll type flower color race as the main heading. This font doesn't look quite right, so I'll change it to a better one. That looks much nicer. I'll also change the heading color to red to make it stand out. Next, I'll add a subheading below the main title and adjust its color. To make the subheading more prominent, I'll enhance it by adding a small circle between the words. The circle color doesn't look right yet, so I'll change it to red to match the heading. Place the second one and align it properly. Now I'll add lines before and after the subheading. I'll reduce the line width, change the line color, and round the line edges. That looks much better. I'll add the same line after the text as well. Our heading and subheading are now complete. Next, I'll create another section of the game sheet. Below the subheading, I'll add the rolling dice section. I'll go to the Elements panel and search for dice. Choose these numbered dice. I've selected rolling dice showing numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'll add the remaining dice numbers. Once all the dice are placed, I'll arrange them neatly below the subheading. To make the game more playful and interactive, I'll add a flower below each dice. I'll go to the Elements section, select Shapes, and search for a flower shape. I'll choose this flower. I will place all the flowers below their respective dice numbers. Duplicate it so that one flower appears below each dice number. Next, I'll change the color of each flower so that every dice number corresponds to a different color. This makes the game more engaging and helps kids easily understand the rules. Now, when a child rolls the dice and gets a number, they'll color the matching flower on the sheet using the same color. Below this section, I'll add another set of flowers where children will actually fill in the colors during gameplay. I'll add an outline to the flower, adjust the outline width, and then duplicate these flowers across the entire sheet. At this stage, all the main elements are in place, but the design still looks a bit basic. So now, I'll enhance it to make it more polished and professional. First, I'll highlight the rolling dice section. I'll add a rectangle behind the dice and change its color to a light beige. I'll also reduce the corner roundness so it looks clean and modern. Then, I'll add an outline to the rectangle and adjust its color. This section now looks well-defined and polished. Next, I'll add a border behind the entire design. After that, I'll place another rectangle at the bottom of the page. Inside this bottom section, I'll add the game rules. Using a text heading, I'll write short and simple instructions. First, I'll add Rule 1, roll the dice. Next, I'll write color the matching flowers. Finally, I'll add first to finish wins. Lastly, I'll add small dots between the words to make the layout look more refined and professional. I will place it properly and change the color. And with that, our flower color race game sheet is successfully created. After creating the game sheet, I also designed a separate instruction sheet to make it easy for kids to understand how to play the game. This instruction sheet can be included when listing the product on Etsy. In the instruction sheet, I've mentioned what the printable includes, such as one flower coloring game sheet and one instruction sheet. Next, I added a What You Need section, which lists the required items to play the game, such as a dice, crayons, colored pencils or markers, and white paper to print the game sheet. After that, I included printing instructions explaining how users can print the sheets at home or at a local print shop. Then comes the How to Play section. This part clearly explains all the steps needed to play the game and how to win, making it easy for kids to follow and understand. With this approach, you can create unique printables that are in high demand and can be sold on Etsy to generate maximum profit. To download this game, please check the description for more details.